Mrs. Faye Bellarmino with Honors and Leadership Awardee.
I do solemnly swear to conduct myself with integrity in all circumstances, to treat with dignity and respect all who share my life, to tirelessly strive for every greater knowledge and skill, to enthusiastically endeavor to share what I know with others, to use all that I have only to serve the greater good, that I may bring honor to my alma mater, my friends, and my family. Truly serve my Lord, my country, and my community. So help me God.